the Sonora Desert in Scottsdale, Arizona, and I'm here on an exclusive test drive to test drive this vehicle. This is the GMC Hummer electric pickup truck, GMC's first electric vehicle. And this is incredible. We're going to take it off-roading, off the beaten tracks, 4-mile stretch over rocks, through the mountains to see how this vehicle drives with electric motors. Now, inside, this is built for off-roading. You can see this huge screen here. It shows different camera views. There are 18 different camera views around the entire vehicle. This is fantastic if you want to get a good idea of what's happening. There's even an undercarriage camera that you can wash as well. That'll actually clear up the entire undercarriage so you can see when you're going off the beaten track. There are different modes here that you can just cycle through. There's tow haul, normal, my mode, which you can customize, off-road, which is what we're going to be using as that. And as you can see, it's going to be a lot of fun. Join us for the ride. Going up of these trails are really quite tough, especially in some areas. We're going up steep hills and we're crawling down steep hills as well. You can engage the L, the lower, and it'll slow things down for you. It has one pedal braking and it is really solid. It feels very secure when you're driving this vehicle, especially off the beaten track. And when you're taking these turns, it's surprising how well it does. There's actually a crab walk feature as well on this vehicle, so it'll help you maneuver the rear end so you avoid hitting anything along the course. It is really stable and secure and very impressive. For such a big vehicle, it doesn't feel like it when you're driving behind the wheel. This is a really impressive vehicle, and it's doing quite well with our range as well. We started the morning with about 80% of battery and 266 miles of range, and we're about halfway through the day. 151 miles we've done, a lot of it off-road and some of it on highway, so we could test out the Super Cruise features, and we're doing quite well. We still have a lot of power left, enough to get back to the hotel. This is really impressive. It is wonderful to go off-roading and leave no carbon footprint behind you. This is really the future of Hummer, and this is a vehicle that's going to attract a lot of attention. Thanks for joining us, and please comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Ciao, ciao.